big rainstorm came through another day, so come out to see if any damage to the trees here in the farm. Some farmer in this area, their farm was damaged from the wind, the rainstorm. So should have to walk and see anything. That one giving out good fruit, many fruit bunch. Okay, there is some damaged tree at the edge of the farm. This one lean. Storm, bad storm. And this one, well, this one not looking good either. Lean quite a bit. Hope no more storm. This one too. Look at the tip of it. Lean. Whew. Like 5-6 of them so far. Well, there's another one.